Hi there, this is Mathia Ford. I wanted to let you know I forgot to record an intro to this video, but this is my chicken ranch foil packets. They are delicious for a campfire. They're delicious for home. They have just the right amount of chicken in them, and they have broccoli, cauliflower, onions, and a delicious buttery ranch sauce that makes them spectacular for a meal. And then you add a little cheese on top at the end. So enjoy this recipe, and you can get the whole recipe and all the ingredients and everything at my blog. The link's in the description. All right, to get started, we're going to heat the oven up to 425 and let that heat up while we're doing the rest of the recipe. Okay, the first step after we heat the oven is to mix together with our butter the ranch seasoning and the pepper. And I'm just going to whisk that all together to make a nice, delicious butter flavor for those chicken ranch packets. Okay, so now I'm going to put the onions and the cauliflower, broccoli, all into the bowl. And I'm gonna take the butter that we mixed, so yummy, and I'm gonna pour it on these vegetables. All right, now I'm gonna mix the butter and seasonings all together to get them thoroughly coated, so everything has a little bit of that buttery ranch flavor. Okay, so now we've cut some foil squares about 12 inches big, and we're going to spray the inside. Even though I'm using non-stick, I'm still going to spray it to avoid any stickiness. And I'm going to place about 3 ounces of chicken in the center, and then I'm going to add some of these vegetables. And it's a decent amount of vegetables just because we're trying to decrease the amount of protein, but get you a nice full meal. Okay, now we fold the packet. So I like to do it by folding up the center, curling it a little bit, and then I curl up the sides. These are also great if you're going camping. So you can just stick them in the fire and they cook right away. So there's a finished packet ready to go in the oven. All right, now we're going to put our ranch chicken foil packets into the oven at 450 degrees and let them cook for 45 minutes. All right, so now we're just going to open up foil packets. They're obviously still very hot. All right, now we're going to sprinkle the mozzarella cheese on them, just a little bit each. Spread it evenly, and then it's going back in the oven for a couple minutes to let it melt the cheese. So now we're gonna sprinkle with a little bit of dill and to add a little bit of fresh flavoring. You can eat it right out of the packet, but if you want to, take it and put it on a plate, open it up, and pour it out. You've got a delicious plate of vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, and onions, and then you have some chicken in there. It's just the right amount for kidney disease. With the ranch butter, it's delicious. So there you have it. It's a kidney-friendly dish with chicken, cauliflower, broccoli, and it's absolutely delicious. With the ranch seasoning, you have softened onions, and the chicken even has a little bit of browning on it.